Hey, welcome ladies and gentlemen, how are you all doing today, boys and girls? Today is a new day, new week. I had a great rest past weekend, and today I'm back here with full of energy to tackle all the work that's laid out for the entire week. Now I know most of you don't like Mondays because you're lazy, but not me. I love Mondays. You know why? Because the project work on my table legs are coming to an end. Well, if you had a bad Monday today, let me give you some energy. I hope that recharges you enough to get you throughout the rest of the week. Stay positive, work hard. And boys and girls, call your mom and dad, tell them you love them. Don't be late. Put on your seatbelts, we're going for a ride. I told you we're going for a ride. I'm crazy. Nah, I wasn't talking about a car ride. I was talking about this. Filling the gaps and holes on a woodwork. That's the ride we're going on today. It's a boring ride today. And I'm gonna show you what I'm doing right here. Okay. Now when we were fitting this too, we had a little bit of a gap here. So that, we're filling it. And you can see here, there's a little bit, but that's okay, it's gonna be on the bottom. This is heavy. But we're gonna just fill it where people can see. You know, in woodworking, professionalism is not about how you make it perfect. It's about how you hide your imperfections well. That's the trick. Now you might be wondering what I'm using to fill in the holes and the gaps. I'll show you. This is just a little bit of sawdust that we collected, and we added some glue, mixed it, and we're gonna fill the holes first with this. And this is a wood filler from Narrowlac, and this is very smooth, and you can fill in any gaps, any holes with this. Any imperfections, it can be covered with this. Now the color is brown so that it matches with this. You will find this of various different colors, and also you can find it in white if you just want white, normal paint. If you're just gonna put on normal paint, you can use this. This is white. But right now we're not gonna use paint. We're just gonna apply a finish to this. And we want it to have, the finished product to have the wood texture, and we're gonna finish it off with polyurethane. So this original wood texture is gonna be there. We're not gonna use paint, which is the reason why we have to use this, the same colors. Hey Eddie, why don't you put some boring music to the end of here? It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be very slow, and I'm gonna be working slow, so it just might fit in so well today. Slow work, slow boring music. What did I tell you? We're going for a ride, we're going for a boring ride today. Well, look at that. We actually don't have to worry about this smudges here because we're gonna sand it off and make it smooth and clean. So nothing to worry about. Oh my god, this is a big one. And by the way, some of you might be thinking, hey, why are you using a chisel to clean this off? Well, this is a very old chisel. I don't use this anymore for woodworking, and I've got plenty of new ones as replacement, so I'm just using this as a scraper now. I'm really very sorry if you feel cringe seeing a good tool being used as a scraper, but this is a very bad quality chisel. I bought it way back in 2011, and back then I was not as experienced as now, so I didn't know which quality was good for woodworking. I just bought this randomly, and this turned out to be very bad quality. It gets rusted fast. It doesn't hold an edge no matter how you sharpen it. The actual chisel length was somewhere around here, and it came down to this because I had to constantly keep sharpening it, and the iron itself is not of good quality, which is the reason why I replaced them with new ones, and now I only use this as a scraper. So professional woodworkers, if you're watching, I'm really sorry to be using a chisel as a scraper, but this is not worth calling a chisel now. So instead of just throwing it away, I'm actually using it for some purpose, so it's handy anyways. This one's got a lot of holes. So in just a few minutes we did a lot, and I'm gonna be filling the gaps and holes of all the rest of the legs, and I'm gonna be testing out fitting the entire table, whole table once, and I'll check it out myself before showing it to you guys. Tomorrow's gonna be a good day because we're gonna paint it, we're gonna stain it, and if you're wondering what stain is, we are going to stain the wood with our preferred color. So tomorrow's gonna be a fun day. It's gonna be a very interesting day, and tomorrow, if possible, after staining the color of the wood, we'll do a test fit and show it to you guys. So that will be the end of the video today. Like, share, subscribe, and see you tomorrow on the next video.